We invite professionals to collaborate with TutorPa Digital Education based on their area of expertise. We warmly welcome executive-level collaboration and look forward to building a strong, impactful educational ecosystem together. Digital education is becoming increasingly popular due to its adaptability to various learning styles includes video tutorials and recorded lectures, curated educational playlists, digital study materials, social media learning, student and tutor registration, and it connects students with qualified tutors and builds a strong subscriber-based learning ecosystem. In digital education collaboration, we educate students through TutorPa's website and social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, etc. These platforms are accessible to students, parents, followers, and subscribers. When you collaborate, you have the choice to work as a tutor or trainer with your free web profile, as a video content publisher, or as both. Here, we address how collaborators register as tutors for a free web profile. Collaborators register as tutors through this web link. After registration, our system creates your free web profile using the information provided. Further, our system carefully matches students with their requirements and your submitted details. Now, here we see how to work as a video content publisher. Collaborators are provided access to publish their educational video series, recorded lectures, playlists, and live sessions on TutorPa's social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, etc. This content is also showcased on their web profile. Further features of the free Tutors web profile will be addressed next. To achieve this, first you need to join as a collaborator. And here we see how to collaborate. Collaborators can join by filling out a simple form available on our website. Here, we address some of the main key features of a tutor's web profile. Your profile presents your introduction, including your qualifications, teaching proficiency, areas of expertise as a home or online tutor, fee rates, etc. Further, you also have the option to include a 1-minute introductory video or audio about yourself. In your web profile, you have the option to showcase your selected recorded video content with paid subscriptions. Our system embeds these videos content on your web profile from TutorPa's social media like YouTube, Facebook, etc. Now, when a student requests a free trial from the tutor profile, a student registration form opens. This student registration form is directly linked to the tutor's profile. Once the student signs up, the tutor is automatically notified via their email address. Further, here we discuss that tutors have the flexibility to create audio, video content using video, voice-only, or AI-generated voice. Content can be created in either the tutor's national language or in English, based on their preference. However, TutorPa recommends using English to ensure wider accessibility and audience reach. Now here, you can strengthen your profile through YouTube video descriptions. In each YouTube video description, you have the opportunity to add your free TutorPa web profile link and offer a free trial session linked to the form available on your profile, making it easier for potential students to connect with you. Now, most importantly, we address authorized editor access, video content analytics, and remuneration. TutorPa may provide authorized editor access that allows tutors to view video content analytics, manage and publish content, and track remuneration, meaning earnings generated from their videos across social media platforms. This access helps tutors efficiently manage their content and monitor its performance and remuneration. Let's address the major collaboration advantages here. As we have already discussed the free tutor web profile on tutorpa.com, your selected educational video series, recorded lectures, and curated playlists will be showcased on your web profile page. The production of video content will be carried out through mutual planning and discussions. TutorPa provides a basic instructional guide for creating quality digital learning content, along with publicity, promotion, and marketing for all collaborative content. Now, let's explore some more key advantages. On social media platforms, subscribers from different playlists of our collaborators join together, allowing audiences to view each published post individually while increasing overall reach and impressions among viewers. We have fair and trustworthy transactions through our corporate bank accounts. Certificates will be provided to students, and experience certificates may be provided to collaborators, and many more benefits. Now, let's explore the things we agree on for the revenue or payment structure. You will receive 91% of the revenue or payments generated from all resources you provide, including payments from students registered through your web profile based on your expertise, subscriptions payment for your video content, recorded lectures, and playlists on your web profile page. Further payments against your published video content on social media platforms, most importantly on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. To access these opportunities, you need to join TutorPa as a collaborator. Let us guide you through the collaboration process, once again on how to collaborate with TutorPa. Collaborator can join with fill up a simple form available on our website. Visit the link below, or follow the steps shown below. After the necessary discussions and answers to your questions, which may take place via Google Meet or WhatsApp, the admin may send you a collaboration confirmation to your provided email address. You can then serve in your designated role with professional experience. That's all for now. Thank you for your time. If you need any help or support, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp or email at admin@tutorpa.com. Thanks.